Unit 8A Study Guide, numbers 14 and 15. Number 14 asks us to write a possible quadratic equation in simplest form with the solutions x equals 0 and x equals 4. So this is a little bit different of a problem. We're going to work backwards. So that process that you just did on numbers 12 and 13, we're going to reverse it. So I'm going to write these solutions here at kind of the bottom of the space. And now to work backwards, so to get our factor, if we subtract 0 from each side, we just simply get x. And if we subtract 4, we get x minus 4. So these are our two factors. And now it says write a possible quadratic equation, and we can set those factors equal to 0 in simplest form. So the simplest form then would be if I went one more step backwards and distributed that x. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 4 is negative 4x equal 0. So there's our quadratic equation in simplest form that once we factored and solved would have the solutions 0 and negative 4. Now we'll work forward. We'll factor and find the solutions to 3x squared minus 18x. So I look for a number that'll divide into 3 and 18, and the biggest one, which is 3. I see if they have any variables in common, and they do, a single x. 3x squared divided by 3x will leave me with the single x. Negative 18x divided by 3x is negative 6 equals 0. Then I set both of those terms equal to 0 and solve. So I divide by 3, x equals 0, and then add 6, x equals 6. So those are my two solutions to that quadratic.